Welcome back. Conscious cooking is about being totally present in the act of food preparation. It brings a deep awareness to the unique details of the cooking experience, creating a nourishing and healing meal with attention, compassion, gratitude, and love. Echoing these sentiments is our own Radhika Gowden as she prepares orange tofu. So what are you preparing for us?
Today we're going vegan, and I have the recipe, the ingredients for orange tofu. It's a fried tofu in a lovely, sweet, sticky citrus sauce. You're gonna love it.
I'm sure I will. I love all your cooking, by the way. So let's go to the ingredients. What do we have here?
Okay, our star ingredient, the main ingredient, tofu. We have some paprika. We're gonna coat this in a lovely dry powder. Paprika, some corn flour, and a little bit of your home chili powder.
Okay.
That's gonna help us coat our tofu.
Okay.
Then we have the ingredients for our lovely sweet sauce. We have some chili flakes, some brown sugar, and some sesame seeds, some soy sauce, and our lovely freshly squeezed orange juice. Not to forget, we need our oil for frying the tofu, our salt and pepper.
Oh, wonderful. And I'm guessing this is also part of the star ingredient, the
That
orange
is
juice.
yes, that takes center stage today in our vegan dish.
Wonderful.
So are we ready to get started?
Yes, absolutely.
So Alicia,
let's
let's just add in a little tofu here. You can add a little bit of your paprika with your corn flour there.
Okay, so corn flour goes in.
Yeah. And then you're going to add some
Chili powder.
chili powder, yes.
Okay, so how many teaspoons are we looking at for
Chili powder, it's at your preference, that's more than
That's
enough, okay? So I'm just going to make sure everyone is coated. We're doing a small batch, and that's how you should do it when you're coating it, because a big batch will overwhelm the powder.
Okay.
And you'll find that the moisture will come out and make your batter soggy. Then it will become a pakora. So as you can see, it's coated nicely.
It's got a nice color.
It's got a nice color, and then we're going to fry this up. And when you fry it, you'll see it comes with a nice crispy coating.
Okay.
And that crispy coating, and why we want it crispy is because the orange sauce will be soaked up with that coating.
Yes.
And it'll keep a little bit of the sauce in each bite. So that's why you have to, because if you do it without frying, this is going to crumble, and you're going to get like a like crumbled tofu.
So it will have a crisp to it?
It'll have a crisp to it, yeah. And
wonderful.
it'll absorb the citrus sauce very nicely. Okay, so there we are, and let's get ready to fry this now.
Yes. Well, I'm sure this dish is definitely going to satisfy your taste buds.
I'm just going to add a little. Be careful about splashing on your clothes.
Take a step back.
Take a step back, yeah. So we're just going to leave that for a little while to crisp up. And
It's already sizzling.
you see it's at the bottom of the pan, and then when it fries well, it'll come to the top because the lightness will bring it up to the surface. That's like an indicator it's ready to be taken out.
Okay, all right. I'm going to give it a stir.
Not stir, you're just going to loosen. Don't stir, yeah, just loosen. Right, yeah. Loosen from the side so it doesn't stick. Right, okay.
Okay. It's very fragile.
It is very soft. That's why I'm saying you have to handle it very, very
Otherwise
lightly.
it's gonna break.
It's going to fall apart, and your lovely cubes are going to break up. You're going to have crumb tofu.
So what ingredients do we have for the sauce?
Well, the main ingredient for our citrus sauce is the orange juice, and I suggest that you use a juice from a orange, freshly squeezed orange, because then it's a very authentic one. Meat eaters have orange chicken, so now we've adapted this for orange tofu. So the same rule applies, freshly squeezed, because the ones you sometimes buy is diluted.
Yes, yeah.
So you're not going to get that lovely citrusy juice,
That's true, that's true.
Yeah.
And also citrus has many benefits with regards to vitamins, right, for your body?
Absolutely, and with cold season around the corner, it's a perfect way to get all your vitamin C.
True, very true.
Can you see?
That looks wonderful.
Yeah, it's crisping up quite nicely because of the heat now. Okay, we'll be ready to take this out. We'll be ready to drain this out on a paper towel so that all our Weight Watchers as well, it's safe for them to eat. I'm going to take this out. You're going to stand back so the oil does not mess your lovely clothes. Okay, perfect. Now it's time for the sauce. Alicia, can you please get me that frying pan?
Sure, sure. Okay, here it comes.
Thank you. We are ready. I suggest you put this aside somewhere.
Okay. All right.
So Alicia, as you can see, you can't recognize our orange sauce because it's disappeared now into the tofu, and neither can you recognize the tofu because it's now got a lovely citrus glaze on it. We're getting ready to plate our delicious tofu, orange tofu.
Well, the time has come.
The time has come to taste. This is a moment to Alicia, if you'll do me the honors of sprinkling some of our sesame seeds.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to take a little of my hand. I'm going to bring the spoon to dig in. Okay. Very quickly. And it's here. Okay.
So the trick to eating this is to grab a few cubes with a little bit of rice.
Okay. Like that?
Yes.
Okay. It's very tasty. Oh my God. Radhika, it's very, very tasty.
Do you get the orange flavor?
I do. It's tangy. It's sweet as well. The brown sugar, I'm sure that has.
Yeah.